Using method 1, ating simplify itong ating given na complex fraction. Una, itong numerator, ating gawing single fraction. And also, denominator as one fraction. Ganito po. Ang ating LCD, ito yung x. So, ating divide itong LCD dito sa numerator sa kanyang denominator. So, take note itong x meron o denominator dyan na 1. Okay? So, x divided by 1, that is x times x, that x squared. Then, compare itong minus sign. Then, x divided by x, that is 1 times 1, that is 1. Okay? Ang denominator, ganun din. Okay, ang itong LCD ay yung x. So, direct na natin multiply sa whole number. So, x times 1, that is x. Kopyahin ng plus sign. Then, ito naman divide natin, x divided by x, that is 1, times 1, that is 1. Then, invert natin ang denominator and multiply. Cancel natin yung x sa numerator denominator, then itong x squared minus 1 ating expand. Kopyahin natin ang denominator, titira itong x plus 1. Cancel na itong x plus 1, both numerator denominator. So, ang final answer dito na lang ang naiwan ay x minus 1.